Hello and welcome to another video. So today we are going to be installing PrimeOS standard 0.5.0. Right here you can get every single release that has ever been released from the official PrimeOS website. We're not going to go with that one. We go a little bit further, and right down here, as you can see, standard 0.5.0. I've already downloaded it, as you can see. So here's the installer. We're just going to double click this. It's going to give us an error message. Windows protected your PC, so we're going to go ahead and run anyway. I recommend that you research any software that pops this up. But with it being PrimeOS, we know it's a trusted piece of software. And we're going to go ahead and push yes. Sorry if my mouse looks like there's a bit of lag. I'm still trying to figure out my recording hardware, and I've had a bit of a lag issue and quality issue. I'm still trying to figure it out. Hopefully in the future I'll have it completely figured out. Alright, here we are to the prompt. This installer is designed to help you to install PrimeOS without manually partitioning and booting from additional media. That is exactly what we want. So right here what we are going to do is we are going to take our hard drive and we are going to make a separate partition that is split off, and it is going to be 128 gigs. Now whatever size you choose, 80, 64, whatever it may be that you prefer, I'm going with 128 gigs. I find it to be plenty of room for Android. You could go with 256, but I'm just going to go with 128 this time. Okay, we have been prompted with a please validate a drive, so we're going to go with the C drive. This could be any other letter, but usually it's C. Yes, this is exactly what we want to do. So we're going to push start installation. It's going to pop a couple of black boxes up. That is perfectly normal. Okay, do not click format disk. Do not click cancel. We're going to push the X button right there. And we're going to wait for it to progress. Alright, it is restarting. Just let your computer do its thing as it restarts. Okay, everything seems to look normal. And again, this is just a prompt so that it can install all of the drivers, data, and everything that it needs to be able to install for PrimeOS. This could take a little bit. It may take anywhere from 10 to 15, maybe even 30 minutes. Just be patient, let it do its thing. Okay. PrimeOS logo has just popped up. X86. And there you go. You got the little loading logo. Now again, this is exactly how I install it whenever I prefer to install PrimeOS on a device. I have done this on several devices, and it usually turns out pretty well. Now what you're about to see is a really messed up screen resolution for PrimeOS. Again, I am still trying to figure out my recording hardware. Haven't quite well figured it out yet. Hopefully I will have this fixed soon. Alright, here we go. Welcome to PrimeOS. So we're going to push proceed. And you're just going to put in your basic information. Username goes here. I'm going to go with 30, since that's what I use on the PrimeOS website. And let's see here. Let's go for... Wait, what am I doing going all the way down here? Let's go all the way back up. Yep. America, Chicago. Where are you? And there you are. Okay. And the United States. America. There we go. And I'm going to go with, let's go with Oklahoma. Back up. Do I not know my alphabets? Okay, there we go. Again, sorry if the mouse looks like there's a lagging issue, because there is. Alright, and you just accept the terms. And it glitched. Oh well. Hey, at least we got through most of it. I believe we got all the way through, I don't know. Anyway, PrimeOS is now installed, and so is Windows 10. So you have a dual boot. That simple. Now, again, I am not responsible for anything that messes up. This is not my fault if you break your system. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.